A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, it's update time. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020, and the market is closed. And today was a brutal day on the market. Today was not good, but better days are coming. So let me log in. And we're going to check out my Roth IRA value today. That's what we're doing. All right, so let's get in here. And we want to go to my Roth IRA. And we're going to go to positions. All right, so as you can see, today was a pretty bad day. I'm down almost $6,000. So we're at, in terms of Roth value, $255,281.22. And today I'm down $5,951.30. And if we just kind of look at all the stocks, this column here, this is the gain or loss of today, which is the 23rd of September. I got almost all red, man. Look, red, red, red. Look at this. Just red. Lose, lose, lose. Zoom is green. What else is green? AAA and this CHEGG company. What else is green? That's it. But, like I said, long-term investing. That's what I'm about. I don't know anything about short-term investing. I don't know what to buy tomorrow, Thursday, and by Friday, I got $20,000. I have no idea. I wish I did. But let's look at where we are and where we were 2 weeks ago. So the last update I did was 2 weeks ago. Let's go to portfolio tracking and see the value of the last Roth IRA update I did. So it looks like it was on September 9th, which was 2 weeks ago. And then I was at $222,284.11. And the difference in 2 weeks, and I got to break this down, so I will break it down. So the difference in 2 weeks is a positive $33,022.16. So the market has been pretty bad in the last 2 weeks, but I'm positive. So let me show you guys what I did, because this is a huge jump in 2 weeks. And I don't know what stocks to pick that I will be up in 2 weeks over 33,000. I've never did that in my life, and I'm not sure if I ever will. But let's go to my account and transactions, and I'm going to show you what happened. So these are all the transactions that occurred in this account within the last year. So we want to go down to recent activity, and voila, on 9/15 I deposited $35,000 into this Roth IRA account. So I am definitely being transparent, and I'm letting you guys know that I did not have the bomb stocks to get me up an extra 35,000. I got up an extra 35,000 because I decided to take 35,000 out of my GE 401k and deposit it into my Roth IRA. And I'm going to include a link so you guys can look and hear that discussion of why I did it, the benefits of doing it. But right now, I just want to stick to what's going on in my Roth IRA. So, one other thing I did. So just today, I bought a new company. It's called Amwell. And I bought 177 shares at $28.95. And let's see if I did good or bad on that today. So let's go back to positions. And take a look at the new stock I bought today. So here it is. The name of the company is Amwell Corporation. And most people call it Amwell for the ticker. And this is a new stock that just hit the New York Stock Exchange. The IPO was it was either Monday or sometime last week. And I've been watching the stock, I've been watching a company for about 3 or 4 weeks. And I knew the IPO was coming, and I didn't buy any of the stock on the first day. I wish I would have in retrospect, because on the first day, I believe it was trading for about $23. So if I would have bought it then, now it's at $28.50. I would have made some decent money. But I didn't. And so how did I know about this stock before it even hit the New York Stock Exchange to be traded? Well, as I told you guys, I have a couple of apps and websites I go to daily. So I learned about this stock by going to Yahoo Finance. So I guess maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, I was on Yahoo Finance and I saw this company, and it said it was backed by Google. So anyway, that made me click on a link, and I started reading it. And then I started reading the financials of the company, other people who were investing in the company before the IPO hit. And I said, I'm going to keep my eye on it. And when it goes public, I'm going to try to get some shares. So today I did buy some shares. And only regret is I didn't buy it the day the IPO hit. But I believe in this company. What the company does is it's a medical company. And what they do is that they have they use the internet to provide services to customers, and the customers can be companies, and of course people work for those companies or associated with those companies, and you can do like a telehealth thing. So this is pretty much health over the internet. That's the most simplistic way I can, I guess, describe this company. But of course, you guys can Google Amwell Corporation, and you will get all the details. And I just can't recall all the things I read in that article about 3 or 4 weeks ago on Yahoo Finance. But I highly recommend that app to put it on your phone, or either go to Yahoo Finance website every day. And I do it several times a day to learn more about stocks, the market, bonds, real estate, anything dealing with money. They have it there. And I do want to say one other thing. So I put $35,000 into this account, so that's why we got it super high within 2 weeks at over $255,000. And if I subtract the $35,000 that I put in, I would get $220,174.61. And if you look at where I was at 2 weeks ago, $222,281.11. So actually, I've lost money because I lost almost $2,000 because I'm actually, if you subtract the 35,000, I'm lower than the number that we're looking at right now, which is 222,284.11. So anyway, that's what's going on. I threw 35,000 into this account. I'm gonna include a link so you can know why I did that and why you guys would want to do it. And we will update our Roth IRA again in about 2 weeks. So, StocksAndRentals.com. Peace.